Today, my grade 3 pupils.
Good morning, teacher.
May I call online Catholic as a prayer?
Angel of God, the guardian here, who was love, who lives me near. Ever this day, be at my side, delighted God, to the end of Amen.
Thank you, Laika. But before you sit, kindly fix your chairs and pick up all the lyrics under your chairs. If there is any absent for today's class,
Ma'am, teacher.
okay, very good. So I have here a classroom rules that you need to follow. First is raise your hand, work quietly, listen carefully, and respect others. Raise your hand if you want to recite or say something. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Work quietly, listen carefully. So you need to listen because later on you will having a group activity. And respect your teacher, especially your classmates. You understand it, class?
Yes, teacher.
Tayo quiet na tayo at meron mo akong video na ipapanood sa inyo at inyo gagayahin.
Yes, teacher. Yun. Teacher, may sinasabi sila rin, ma'am. Ma'am, yung gusto niya daw makita yung kamukha niya.
Uy, are you laughing like
Tumatay kasi.
Hindi, nag-stress siya, hindi tumatay.
Alam mo, ano ang ganibang doon?
Yes, ba yun?
Sa kabila mo. Wala na ito.
So, class, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa... Are you sure?
Yes, teacher. Nabitnat ang aking paa.
May picture ko ipapakita sa inyo at inyo obserbahan. So, class, what did you observe in the picture?
Teacher, yung bata is may hawak na parang hindi, parang barbell. Barbell, oo. Tapos teacher, meron pa yung mga bata na nasa gitna ng picture, yung parang nag-yoga sila.
Opo. So, what action did you notice or observe to the video class? Another kind of exercise that you noticed to the picture.
Nag-i-stretching po, teacher.
Yes, that is stretching. And so, today is the continuation of our topic. And our topic class meeting is all about body shapes and action. And before we start our discussion, I read first our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are able to identify body shapes and actions, discuss the body shape and actions, and perform the body shape and action with enjoyment. So, what comes into your mind when you hear the word body shapes and action class?
Teacher, sexy na katawan.
Ano pa?
Teacher, kung ano yung pulma ng katawan, or kung kunwari pag nag-posing yung may nabubuo siyang letter, ay,
Yes, pwede rin yung mga sinabi niyo. So, body shapes and actions are the different body positions and actions that you can do while standing, kneeling, or sitting. Do you understand it, class?
Yes,
Ano ang body
teacher.
shapes and actions? So, body shapes and action are, there are 4 types of body shapes and action. First is stretch, curl, tuck, and twist. So, first is, can you read it, class?
Stretch, you do this body shape when you extend your body or limbs, arms, and legs.
Yes. Stretch is ganyan. Pwede tayo nakaupo or pwede rin tayo nakatayo na mag-stretch ng ganito or may side by side. Do you understand it, class? Kung ano ang stretch?
teacher.
Next naman is curl. Can you read it, class?
You do these body shapes when you form your body into a curve or spiral shape.
Yes. Curl is ganyan po siya. Nakatayo tayo tapos nagaganito siya. Yan po ang curl. So, kailangan na i-memorize nyo yung mga ganito kasi mamaya gagawin nyo with your group. Do you understand it, class?
Yes, teacher.
And next naman is tuck. You can read it, class?
You do these body shapes when you bend your knees, draw your thighs closely to your chest, and have your hands around your legs.
Ganito po ang tuck, class. Ganito po ang tuck. Nakaganito tayo, class. And then, ganito siya. Tapos, ganito, class. Ganyan. Ganito. Nakuha nyo, guys? Opo. Tapos,
Magkaroon ng abs.
opo, para magkaroon tayo ng abs. Kaya, ganito yung tuck, class. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And the next is twist.
You do this body shape when you turn a part of your body into circular or spiral motion.
Yes. Ganyan po ang ganito po siya, class. So, nakaganito, tapos 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakuha ba, class?
Opo.
So, if you really understand our topic, I will group you into 2 groups. Rona is the group 1 and Laika will be the group 2. You need to do is for the group 1, you do the stretch and curl, and the group 2 will do the tuck and twist. You understand it, class?
Yes, teacher.
But before you go to your group, I will explain first our rubrics. First is cooperation. Second is correctness. Third is time management with a total of 20 points. So, you kindly go to your group and mamaya gagawin niyo yung mga sinabi ko, exercise. Group 1 is, yung group 1 is stretch and curl. Stretch. Yung group 2 po. Tapos group 2, yung tuck and twist. Okay. For the group 1, you kindly do it, Rona.
Teacher, yung first po is stretching. So, ganito po yung stretching na napili ko. Tapos yung curl naman po is yung parang merong hawak-hawak na barbell. So, ginagano niya po, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Rona. And how about the group 2?
Teacher, yung tuck po is ganito eh. Yung para siyang para magkaroon ng abs.
Opo.
Teacher, ang hirap po. Yan.
How about yung
Tapos
twist
yung
naman,
twist po,
Laika?
yung parang bola or yung basta ganun may hawak kang bola tapos ginaganon mo para mag-twist mo yung katawan mo.
Yes, thank you, Laika. So, mag-score tayo sa inyong mga ginawang exercise. So, nakita ko naman na ginawa ni Rona yung kanyang activities. Ginawa niya naman ng tama, kaya bibigyan ko siya ng 10 points. At same din kay Laika. So, cooperation na cooperate naman lahat kayo. So, bibigyan ko din kayo ng 5. And yung time management is nagawa naman sa tamang oras. Bibigyan ko din kayo ng 5 points. So, with a total of 20 points. So, kayo ay nakakuha ng 20 points. So, class, pwede na tayo mag-relax na 3 minutes. Kayo ay nakaupo sa inyong mga upuan at mag-inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Gaganito nyo rin sa kamay ng class. Stretch your arms. Stretch, close, open, close, open, then up naman class. Up, and down. So, class, ano nga ba ulit ang ating pinag-aralan? Yes, Laika?
Tungkol sa body shape po, yung may twist, curl, at saka yung isa? Stretching.
So, Laika, bakit ba natin kailangan na gawin ang mga exercise na yun?
Teacher, para po magkaroon ng magandang katawan at healthy na katawan.
How about you naman, Rona? Bakit kailangan natin na gawin yung mga example ng exercise na yun?
Teacher, para yung katawan natin is hindi siya magkaroon ng mga taba-taba para kapag nag-exercise tayo. For example, marami tayong calories sa katawan. Kapag ginawa natin yung mga exercise, maalis yung mga calories natin kasi nag-stretching or exercise tayo.
Yes, tama. Kailangan natin mag-exercise para ang ating katawan ay lumakas at hindi tayo magkakasakit. Naintindihan ng class?
Yes, teacher.
So, ngayon, may ibibigay akong individual activities sa inyo. Ang inyong gagawin is ilagay nyo ang inyong sagot sa gilid ng number. I will give you 3 minutes to finish your individual activity. Do you understand it, class?
Yes, teacher. Done, teacher.
Okay. Person at the back, kindly pass your paper to the person in front of you with the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, class, excited na ba kayo umuwi?
Yes, teacher.
Maaari mo ba kayong tumayo? Tapos tayo ay mag-jumping jacks ng 10 class. Ito pagiging na dito sa... One, two, three, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, sit down class. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,